Hey, bio folks, it's me. It's Christy. I think we are on week 6, right towards the end of week 6 of summer school. Well, nothing much has changed in my life. It's just me and my cat hanging. Hair is getting longer. I absolutely hate it. Not much else going on here. So this first video I'm making today is a catch-up video. So if you're watching this and you're all caught up, that means you currently have 4 stickers for biology. That's 4 stickers. 4 stickers. Then you can exit out of this video and go to the next video. Good job. Keep it up. Those of you who don't have 4 stickers, I am just going to briefly walk you through what needs to happen in order for you to pass bio. Here's the deal, guys. It is, today, it's 5/20. It's May 20th. I think you guys are going to have another more than 2 weeks. You're going to have more than 14 days from this date to get all your work in for summer or for school for quarter 4. So here's my plan for you, and my plan is my hope with this plan is that it helps you guys get work done. Like, so this isn't a plan like, oh, I'm going to try to give you the max amount of work as possible. My plan is to try to like help you guys get a pass for this quarter. So this week I'm adding one more target. That's going to be the fifth sticker, right? 5. I'm not going to add anything else for the rest of the quarter. So and there's no final. So this means that your job over the course of the next 2 to 2.5 weeks is to get 5 stickers from me and be done, and then you'll have a pass and you'll get your quarter credit. Okay? 5 stickers. I know every single one of you out there. I know every single one of you in this class has the ability to do that. I know that. So let's talk about what you got to do. So if you haven't done anything for me this quarter, so again, I went up to courses, I clicked on bio, and this is the screen you get as soon as you click on bio. I'm going to scroll down. Everything is kind of sort of color coded, right? So your first sticker is purple. Your second sticker is green. Your third sticker is orange. Your fourth sticker is yellow. And I'm going to make the 5th and final sticker black. Okay? So say you need to start at sticker 1. You're going to read this down here. You're going to click on the purple file folder. It's going to bring you here. You're going to open these notes, and you are going to fill out this assignment using these notes. Everything in the assignment comes from these notes right here. One thing I want to say about this assignment, guys, is, again, I'm going to go to a Google Docs. You cannot fill this out as is, folks. Everybody's filled it out like, oh, macromolecule. This is a big molecule. So you're filling it out, but you don't realize that every single other person accessing this document can also see that. You're sharing it. So you don't want to do that, or then I have to go in and I have to do a bunch of stuff. So what you want to do actually is you want to copy this whole thing and the reflection questions in the table, Control-C copy, go to File, go to New, go to Document, and then paste, Control-V, and then put your name up here, and put week 2, and then your name, so Orlando, right? Cool. And then last but not least, guys, share it with me so I can see it. So name, again, it would be week 2 Orlando or whatever your name is. And then a little box will pop up and you are going to share it to my email address. Okay? So then this document becomes yours and yours only. So then nobody else can see it except for me and you. Okay, cool. So that's week 1. Did I just get rid of all the things I needed? No, I didn't. So week 1 is pretty basic. Again, you're just doing that assignment. You're taking the questions straight from the notes assignment, and then when you're done with that, when you're done with that, I have to give you, so I have to read your questions and say, okay, you're done, and then you can go in and take the quiz. This quiz may be locked at this point. I have to go in and check. And if it's locked, all you have to do is send me a quick email, or even better, a text, and say, hey, quiz 1 is locked. I need to get in, and I'll send you a new code. Okay? That's not a big deal. Okay, so that is sticker 1. As soon as you pass this quiz, you get a sticker. Yay, sticker 1. Sticker 2, up in green here. Okay, it says week 3. Again, read the stuff. What you're going to do for this week is you're going to open up the directions first, follow all of the directions. The directions will actually include you listening to the videos that I have posted for the week. If I post videos, guys, you will not pass unless you watch those videos. I mean, you know what? I'm not going to say that. You might, but it's going to be a lot more challenging. It's going to take more time and more energy for you guys to try to do this without the videos than it will to watch the videos, right? So for this, you are literally step by step following the directions. You're going to answer these questions for me. You are also filling out a table that you can access right here, the biomolecule table. And that is it. So these questions, that you're creating a table for me. That's it for week 2. There's no quiz, just the table. When you make this table, you have to take a picture of it and either upload it to Schoology, which a lot of you are doing, that's awesome, or text it to me, okay? All right, that is sticker 2. Sticker 2. Now we're on to sticker 3. Again, oh, the weird thing about the videos, folks, if you access them from here, so you can access them from my directions page. That's what I anticipate you guys doing. But if you want to access them here, you click on it, and then you have to click on the title again. It's really stupid. It's not clear at all. But you have to click on this again, and then it brings you to my video. Okay, that's sticker 2. It's week 3, sticker 2. Now we're on to sticker 3, which is this orange folder. Again, read the little sentence or blurb I have. Alright, so it says bio instructions, week 4. We've got the notes for the week. We've got 1, 2, 3 videos. We have a packet, and we have a quiz. There's a lot going on in here. The very first thing I do when you get, and this also I will say is one of the harder units. It's not hard, guys. It's more work than the others. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is open up the instructions. If you have an instruction sheet, open that instruction sheet up first time every time. Also, if it's taken a little, so my internet isn't great. If it's taken a little while to download like this, you can download it with this arrow, and sometimes that actually downloading it and having a file of it is quicker. Let's see if that is the case here. I don't think it is. Did it work? No. Let's see what's going on. There it is. Oh, I got it twice. Here we go. Okay, so here are my instructions. I'm going to say the same thing I said for week 1, guys. You want to copy and paste if there are questions on here. There aren't. Okay, never mind. You don't necessarily need to copy and paste this one, I don't think. Okay, so it says open up the notes in the orange week 4 folder, watch the first video. The first video can be found here. All you gotta do is click it. Follow all the directions in the video. Send me the new copy of your definitions table before moving on to the third step. So that's your first part of your assignment right there. It has to do with your vocabulary table. Watch the next video here. Be sure to send me a picture of your biomolecules table here. So you are updating your vocabulary table here. You're updating your biomolecules table here. So that's 2 parts of the assignment. Watch the third video here and answer these questions on slide 15 of the notes. That's the third part of your assignment. Again, so update your vocabulary sheet, assignment part 1. Update your biomolecules table, assignment number 2. Do 15 questions from the notes, part 3. And then down. I didn't mean to actually click on it. My bad. Hold. Well, that's annoying. Hold on. So, update vocabulary table, check 1. Update biomolecules table, check 2. Answer questions from on slide 15 of the notes, check 3. Download this packet and answer the questions on the 7th page, check 4. I have a quiz after you do these 4 checks, and I promise you the quiz will be difficult unless you do all 4 of these things. Also, I'm not going to let you access the quiz unless I see all 4 of these things. Okay? So, 4 mini assignments and then the quiz. That's the third sticker. And as I said, I think that one's pretty. It's harder than the rest. All right, going back. So let's go to the 4th sticker. Move my face. Move my face. Oh, and again, so instructions, this is the notes where you can access those questions. And then the packet that you need to do, page 7, is right here. And your quiz is right here. Again, if it's like sometime in June and you're like pushing it in terms of time, this quiz might be expired. Again, you just got to send me a quick text saying, Christy, hey, quiz 3, it's expired. Please give me a new link, and then that's fine. I will do that immediately. Okay, last but not least, quiz. Wait, sorry, not quiz, but this is sticker 4. This is last week's work. Again, read the blurb. So reflection questions for learning target, notes, videos. I'm gonna go to the reflection questions first because it has directions. I'm gonna download this. All right, so we've got a bunch of questions. The first thing I'll say about this unit is there's no quiz. Yay, no quiz. You have to do what you did the first week. You have to copy this because you actually can't write on it. You can't put in your answers here. It's a PDF. So you're going to copy the whole thing. Copy. Keep copying. There we go. Control C. We're going to go to your drive. It's my drive. And then you're going to go to new document, right? I'm actually just going to go up here. And I'm going to go to file. I'm going to go to new. Go to document. Control V for paste. This came out a little funky, right? It's annoying. I mean, you can go in and hit enter for each question. That's fine. Let's just try one thing really quick. Sometimes if you right click and you say paste without formatting, there it goes. Look at that. Perfect. So then again, you want to title it week 4 or learning target 4, your name, share it with me. You're going to answer all these questions. This video is going to end in 3 seconds. Peace.